A joiner is a tool that excels at smoothing and flattening the face of a workpiece and getting it ready for the rest of your project. Now the key is making sure you do that safely, and that means using push pads to push the workpiece safely over the blades. Of course, the key is keeping those push pads handy. So what I've done is made a tray that actually attaches to the back of my joiner. Now the tray is pretty simple to make. It's just some plywood scraps. There's a front, a back, a pair of end pieces that fed into rabbet's cut here, and then grooves in all the parts for a plywood bottom. But the key to everything is actually what's on the back. There's a pair of magnets and cups that fit into the back. And what that does is makes it easy to snap that to the back edge of your table, provides a quick and easy access place for your push pads so they're always there when you need them.